Hi, kids. Welcome to Thursday. Basically, today's lesson super easy, picking up where we left off yesterday. Now, remember, yesterday we were talking about cultural influences on Japan, specifically, almost most obviously, from China and Korea. They had a massive influence on Japan. Yesterday, you even saw that even places like India, which are pretty far from Japan, still had significant cultural influence through Buddhism. Now, today, you're going to do the last three topics that are referred to yesterday. Now, today, your three topics will be first off, literature. How did these places have a massive impact on Japan as far as writing and books go? Then, my personal favorite, you guys are going to look at medical knowledge. How did Chinese and actually, strangely enough, Middle Eastern medical knowledge have an influence on Japan? These are actual paintings from medieval Japan. This dude in the lower left hand corner has smallpox for all you guys who remember your debate from China. Smallpox are not exactly fun. And then, certainly, last but not least, you guys are going to look at different architectural styles. The one on the left hand side, you have Chinese pagodas, and Vietnam in the middle, their pagodas, and then on the far right hand side, you have Japanese pagodas. Now, a lot of these things, if you go to Chinese or Vietnamese or Japanese restaurants, you'll see these um, little images on the side of the takeout boxes. These are pagodas. These are what you guys are actually looking at there. So, kiddos, enjoy. Nice, easy, simple today. Do the readings, answer the 5 questions. Looking forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we have our exam. See you tomorrow, kiddos.